Hey guys, hope you are all doing very well. And quite recently, I have joined Deloitte India in Bangalore, and they have sent me the starter kit or some my laptop and all. So in this video, let's kind of unbox it and see what all we have. We got a bag and a laptop. I'm not sure like what's the model of the laptop and all, but what I am aware is it's a HP laptop. So let's begin the unboxing and quickly open and check what's there inside. Sure. So I think I have this bag, and I thought this would be a Deloitte bag, but there's no Deloitte written over here. But it's a good bag. It's a quite decent bag, and this is how it looks. It's heavy. I don't know what's there inside exactly, but I guess there would be some charges and all, if I'm not sure. Yeah. So let's also check what's there in the laptop. Yeah. So let me open it. And there we go. We got this brand new laptop from Deloitte. Let's throw this away. It has a good amount of cardboard, and finally, yo, it's very sleek. Wow. This is the laptop, how it looks like. This is a HP model, and yeah. So this is the laptop that we got from Deloitte, and this is how it looks. And I don't think this goes in a 360 way, and this is only going till 180 degree, I suppose. And the model is Elite Book. Yep. So let's see what else is there in the bag. Oh. I'm not sure what these things are. And there's a charger for this laptop. That's it. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll share my experience once I use this, and upload quite a few videos when I start working at Deloitte and all. Thank you for watching. Bye.